Alright. Got the mini ultra strict. Gonna go low rates on ailerons and let's go high rates on the others. Just because it does not have a tail wheel, so it's a little more sensitive on the ground steering. High speed pass here. Going up and over. And that's a pretty bad out this morning. We're in low rate on the ailerons. And while it does give it a really stable flight, the roll rate is absolutely horrendous. That's full stick on it. There's medium. That's high.
Maybe you ought to video those you want to sell. Don't put them online and tell them, well, you go online and see how it flies.
Yeah, I've done that before. Works out pretty good. Yeah, I figured it up. I've got 14 of them that I'm going to post. Of course, if I sell them individually, I wanted to sell them as a lot. But if I wind up going individual, who knows, when I get down 9 or 10 sold and see how much space I have in the hangar, then I may stop, you know. Because, I mean, none of them are turds. Like this one right here flies wonderful. If I was going to keep it, I probably would put a tail wheel on it, though. Just to make it handle on the ground a little smidge easier. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it handles good in the air.
It really does. Yeah, I'd put 100 on it.
Yeah, I don't think I'd...
If they called you up and offered you 80, I'd probably take it.
I don't know if I would, though. I mean, it flies so good. And I'm not selling it because I need the money. I'm selling it because I need the space. Yeah. And this one is one of the few that's so small. You know, I mean, it really doesn't take up a lot of space by itself, you know what I mean?
Do they wheel and deal at Roy's?
Or do
you know?
What do you mean, wheel and deal?
Well, someone offered you 80 on 100. Do they call you?
Yeah, they will, unless you can specify firm, and then they'll just tell the customer, no, it's firm. So I know I bought a couple of them in there before that was that way. I called and said, I'll give 100 for it. Whoa!
Yeah.
Walk of shame. Yeah, I've offered you know, $20-$30 less. They'd call the customer. Sometimes they'll take it, sometimes they won't.
I came out Sunday night.
Yeah. I gotta go around again. I can't take it.
And the sprinkler system comes on.
The sprinkler out here?
Yeah, they got 3 areas. 1, 2, 3 down there.
Right.
I couldn't believe it. Yeah, about, I don't know what time it was, 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
They didn't change the sprinkler times when they opened up the field. And to me, the water, well, there was more water out here yesterday. There was puddles all up and down.
You know, it looked